Su Yanqing returned home to find both of his parents there. It turned out that they had deliberately put aside their work to spend the new year with him. Su Yanqing had been injured while saving Bai Xiaoduo, and when his mother saw the injury, she immediately began to treat it with care. She guessed that he had been in a fight with someone. At first, Su Yanqing tried to deny it, but since his mother was a professional doctor, he couldn't fool her. His mother also mentioned the issue of him going abroad, but since Su Yanqing didn't want to go, she didn't press the matter. Su Yanqing was surprised to hear this, as Bai Xiaoduo's advice had influenced his mother's change of attitude. His mother even praised Bai Xiaoduo as an exceptional girl and stopped opposing their relationship. The holiday quickly passed, and everyone returned to school. When Bai Xiaoduo saw Lin Xiaomiao again, she wanted to be honest and asked if Lin Xiaomiao was angry because of the secrets she had kept from her. Bai Xiaoduo confessed all the lies she had told. At first, Lin Xiaomiao didn't seem to care, but her reaction afterward surprised Bai Xiaoduo. Just as Bai Xiaoduo was confused, Yuchi called her and told her that Blake's identity had been exposed. Bai Xiaoduo rushed to find Su Yanqing and saw him with Yu Shufen. She mistakenly thought that Yu Shufen was there to confront Su Yanqing about the breach of contract due to Blake's identity being revealed. She quickly went over to explain, but at first, Yu Shufen teased Bai Xiaoduo. Later, she revealed that she was actually there to sign a new contract and no longer had to keep Blake's identity a secret. Bai Xiaoduo finally felt relieved. A witness from the comic company woke up and went to Su Yanqing, revealing that no one knew about Su Yanqing's identity as a supplier for tourists. Everyone was shocked when they heard this. Bai Xiaoduo took the initiative to confess to the people at the comic company that she hadn't known Blake's true identity at first. It was she who had lied about it. The girls who had joined the comic club later were upset when they found out that Bai Xiaoduo had deceived them into joining by pretending to be Blake's assistant. They all criticized her. However, Lin Xiaomiao stepped forward to defend Bai Xiaoduo. With further explanations from Su Yanqing and Xiaoyang, the girls forgave Bai Xiaoduo and agreed to let her stay in the comic company. Once Bai Xiaoduo had confessed all the lies she had told, she felt relieved. The weight that had been on her chest was finally gone, and she even received a lot of support from others. He Rui, who was about to leave to study abroad as an exchange student, gave gifts to Bai Xiaoduo and Lin Xiaomiao before leaving. Both of them felt reluctant to part with He Rui. Su Yanqing's new book was officially released, creating a huge buzz in the market. At the book signing event, Bai Xiaoduo sat beside Su Yanqing, watching him sign books for each fan. Yuqi and Yushubo finally got together and became a couple. They were sweetly in love every day. Xiaoyang also centered his life around Lin Xiaomiao, and the two of them were very happy together. Su Yanqing and Bai Xiaoduo no longer had any secrets between them. They were finally able to be open with each other and confessed their feelings on the beach.